Hey everyone, Holland here back with another Tuesday tip. And this week, I just want to talk about something really specific, and that is the option here to build products when running a listing import. So if you're unsure of where to find the listing import page, or maybe you forgot, go ahead and just click on settings, and then you're going to want to click import data and simply select the marketplace that you want to run a listing import from. In this case, I'm going to use Etsy as my example. And like I said, we're really just going to talk about this option here right at the top, which is the option to automatically build products from these imported listings. And I've selected yes, auto build products. They do not already exist in my catalog. The reason I want to talk about this is because we do get a decent amount of folks writing in saying, hey, I already have a product catalog built in Sellbrite, but I have created some new listings directly in a marketplace and I need to import them into Sellbrite, and I need to build products for these listings as well. If I click this button, am I going to rebuild my whole catalog? The answer for the most part is no. This is totally safe to do. We don't have an option to only import new listings, but that kind of happens anyway. So anytime that you run a listing import from a marketplace, Sellbrite's going to look at all the listings that you have. We're going to attempt to bring them all in. But if we already have them all, then we're going to ignore what we already have, and we're going to build only new listings and only new products from those listings. So for the most part, this is totally safe to do. It's a perfectly fine way to bring in those new listings that you've created. But there is one caveat, and there is one situation in which this is not going to be great to do. So using that same example, let's say I've got a product catalog already built in Sellbrite, and now I'm bringing in some new listings from Etsy. If the products that I have in Sellbrite are built using different SKUs, maybe I built them from a separate marketplace that has different SKUs, or maybe I used a CSV file, and for whatever reason, my product SKUs don't match up with the SKUs I have in Etsy. If I choose to auto build my products, what's going to happen is I am going to get duplicate products, and I am going to get some issues there, because when we bring in those listings and when we try to build products from those listings, what we use to determine if it's something that we already have is the SKU. So if the SKUs don't match up, we're going to think it's completely new stuff and we're going to build it. So if you have inconsistencies with your SKU system, then you'll likely run into issues, and you might want to take some precautions and doing some cleanup before doing this. If you know that everywhere you sell, you've got the same SKUs everywhere, you've got it dialed in, it's consistent, go ahead and click auto build products if you're just trying to bring in some new listings. Totally okay to do, but if you still have any hesitation, give us a shout at support@sellbrite.com, and we'll be able to, look at what you got and make sure this is safe to do. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.